Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is March the 6th on Wednesday 2019. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. We will be looking at the short-term structure of the EURAUD. This is a 45-minute chart. We can see it rallies pretty strongly now, and we are looking for the pair to continue the rally to the upside. It is about to break above this previous peak over here. You can see that based on this limited sort of time frame here, we can see that this decline to 1.58 ended with 2, and then this one, the rally is in a 5 waves, ended with 3, and the pullback is a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 swing structure, double correction, double 3, WXY, or in this case each leg is a zigzag, so we can also call them double zigzag. All right, ended with 4 here, and then starts to rally afterwards. Now if we look at the larger time frame, let me go to the 4-hour. all right, and we can see this is the count that I'm placing here to correspond the 1-hour chart or the 45-minute chart. This is 2, 3, 4, right? So this is the 2 and 3 and 4, so this has to be in the 1, so which means that this 4-hour chart over here showing what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then we got another sort of a connector or a swing from this low here, right? So from this low we have 1, 2, and then we got a 5 ways up, looks like. So what that means is that we seems to be having some sort of either a flat or a zigzag from this low, right? From this low. So this would be with A, right? And this would be with B, if you want to call it as a zigzag. Then you subdivide this into 5 waves, which looks like it is 5 waves, right? This one, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So you have a P, and then now you are ending the C leg in another 5 waves as a diagonal, right? Because you have an overlap between 1 and 4, so it has to be a diagonal. So now where is going to be the target? Well, you can calculate with 5 in many different ways. Sometimes people calculate with 5 target to be equal to with 1, okay? And then also you can calculate the zigzag target here, the ABC, in which the C leg is equal to the A leg, right? That's also another way to do it. Now let's say if we do the ABC target here, then we should be looking at a target around this area, okay, which is the 100% extension area. So we should be ending this with 5 somewhere within this blue box with one more push on the upside. You can see the 4-hour candle looks very strong now, and I think even though the minimum target is 160.80, but I think we can easily extend within the blue box, right? We can easily extend. It is always an area. Target is always an area, never a specific level, okay? And in this case, we can, let's say, targeting the upper end here between 160, 160 to 80 before ending this 5 ways up, and then at that point we have a possibility at that point, all right, that this cycle can be complete from this low as an ABC, and then we start seeing a 3-ways pullback at least, right? And then we can start seeing at least a 3-ways pullback. So that will be the more sort of conservative forecast or conservative expectation, right? Now what will be alternate? Well, the alternate suggests that the rally starting from January low in fact is not an ABC, but let's say it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this alternate here, right? So what might happen is, well, there's a couple of different possibilities, right? So we can have a 1, 2, and this can be a diagonal with 1, and then we have a with 2, right? So we can have a diagonal like this, and we have a with 2 followed by more upside in the with 3, right? That's another possibility. And then still another possibility is we do the most bullish on the most aggressive view is that we are doing a nest. So in other words, now we are doing a 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So this is a lower degree, this is a lower degree with 1. So this is the most aggressive count, in which we are saying that, okay, well, we got a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then now we have a 3, 4, 5, let's say. So I'm going to erase this. This is no longer relevant in the most bullish scenario. This is 3, 4, 5 like this, right, in the black, and that will only end with 3, and it will continue to go up. So as you can see, there are a couple of different possibilities, at least in the larger degree, right? But I think suffice to say, for now, for our purpose here, okay, suffice to say, at the least we should be expecting, okay, at the least we should be expecting more upside in the shorter cycle. That suffice to say. So let's take the most sort of conservative view that this is just an ABC, 3 swings higher from this low. Then we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are just ending a with 5, which should break above with 3. And then let's say if we take a 1 equal to 5 target area, then we can potentially go to as high as 162.20. But the idea is, once we got a new high above this, technically that will qualify as a wave 5, even though I really doubt that it's going to end that soon due to the fact that this candle is so strong. So I do expect, I do think that we got actually a good chance to keep extending higher here, and it's not going to stop easily at 160.80 and done, but I do expect at the least we can get into this area between 160, 160, 163, and then the alternate is going to be in the more bullish view that I sort of present earlier. Okay, so we do all this type of analysis and giving also ideas to trade at which area and how to manage your risk in the live trading room every single day. And so we don't just provide a forecast or a chart, but we also let members know how to do it safely. So if you are interested, you can always check our service. We have 14 days free trial. You can check us out. The link is provided there in the description to take the 14 days free trial. So thanks very much everyone, and have a nice day. See you all again next time.